Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Infomrk YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Rafiq Haskeli and today we will talk on how to install ISISMARC and import marker cards. Download ISISMARC, link is given in this video description and you can easily download from the ISISMARC from this video description. ISISMARC 1.54 introduced by UNESCO for 2003 and 2005 period, and its latest version appeared April 9, 2006, ISISMARC 1.54. So let's begin to start. What is ISISMARC? ISISMARC 1.5 is a tool for converting mark record in the ISIS database systems. In the library systems, we have a need to make a catalog. So for cataloging purpose, in the digital time, mostly used MARC standard records and converting them by using ISIS database systems like winisis and ongoing systems to create or making automated catalog for the library user to serve them catalog services. So this is a basically technically used cataloging system, and we will step by step learn about ISISMARC. So this is ISISMARC interface that is mostly showing marklet.mst file having 1 to 67 records are available in this software. If you have a need to more record in this database, so how to import mark record in this database, so we will learn by practically. To firstly we install ISISMARC and then we will insert mark records in this database. So insert mark record is our second steps. Firstly we will install ISISMARC and then we will insert mark record.